Hey, fellow Samsung users! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to show you a great feature on Samsung devices, Extended Screenshot. It's perfect for capturing those long web pages, chat conversations, or any content that doesn't fit on one screen. Let's dive in and learn how to use it. First, let's find the advanced screenshot feature on your Samsung device. Open the content you want to record, such as a web page or a chat conversation, and take a simple screenshot by pressing the volume down button and the power button at the same time. At the bottom of the left part of the screen, you can notice a small window that represents the part of the screen where you took the screenshot. In order not to make more screenshots, at the bottom of the screen you can see the offered tools, from which we will click on the Extended Screenshot option. By clicking on this option on the left side, you can notice how the previous screenshot is enlarged. No matter how many times you click on the Expanded Screenshot option, it will increase more and more. We just have to check if this option worked by going out and studying in the gallery. And there you have it. You've successfully mastered the screenshot extension feature on your Samsung device. Now you can record those long web pages or conversations effortlessly. I hope you found this guide useful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Samsung tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.